Good morning, everyone. Grateful to be here with everyone and many of my incredible colleagues. And we are here today joined because today is Equal Pay Day. And Equal Pay Day is not a celebration. It is a true acknowledgement of what it takes women in Connecticut, what they need to do to work to catch up with what men have made in the year before. And Connecticut's women are working full-time, year-round, and here in the state of Connecticut, they are still making only 84 cents on the dollar to men. And that gender gap in Connecticut is even worse for Black women and for Latinas in our state. What you'll hear today is how much the wage gap really matters for the women of Connecticut, for families of Connecticut, and for our economy. Because the wage gap means that women have less money to spend on groceries, to spend on their housing or childcare costs, less money to spend on paying down those student loans, and less money to invest in our local economies. The wage gap exists for many reasons. Research really tells us that the wage gap can be there because of simple bias or discrimination. The wage gap can also exist due to pay secrecy. And often the wage gap exists simply because women make up a significant number of the low-paying jobs in our state. Here in Connecticut, we have made progress over the years to close the wage gap, with policies such as increasing our minimum wage, paid family medical leave, increasing salary transparency, and a number of efforts to make sure that women are supported in the workforce. But there are a number of things we can keep doing more of. I know that personally, I'm proud of leading House Priority Bill 5003, which seeks to invest further in our early childhood and education system, because we know that when women have access to more affordable and accessible childcare, they're more likely to stay in the workforce and keep rising their wages.